Hey, Dan Passarelli here. It was kind of a quiet day in the market today. The S&P 500 ended up closing up 0.6%, near the high of the day, but hey, 0.6%, that's not far off yesterday's close. If you look at a chart of today's trading, this is a 1-minute chart. We basically stayed in about a 0.5% range throughout the day, just kind of meandering around a bit. Now, if we zoom back out to what I would call a more normal time frame to look at, we do see that this potential uptrend is continuing a bit. When we test that 50-day moving average, that's going to give us a bunch of information. Now, as far as other information goes, the Fed funds rate at the CME Group is predicting a 78.5% chance of interest rates not changing at the September 20th Fed meeting. Now, I still got a little bit of time there. It's still about 3 weeks off. But this week, we're going to get a lot of information. This is jobs week. We have lots and lots of things being talked about this week. Let's see here. Tomorrow, we're going to get not just housing price stuff, which is important, but we're also getting the JOLTS information. The JOLTS job information is really important stuff. On Wednesday, we're getting GDP and PCE second estimates. So anything that was missed the first time around, we're going to get a more clear picture of what that looks like for quarter over quarter last time they announced it. Thursday, we get the regular weekly initial jobless claims, and then Friday's the big numbers. So, today was quiet, but the rest of the week, we're going to have a lot of information coming out, and that's probably why we see the VIX sitting here at 1508. Now, that's not like some super high level or something like that, but here, let's bring up a chart of the VIX, VIX. It's definitely decidedly off the lows that we were kind of hanging around for about a month and a half, down around the 13 area. And so I don't really look at moving averages when it comes to the VIX very much because it's a derivative of a derivative. So I think the moving averages matter a lot less. But we're going to keep watching that VIX, and I got a feeling that if we start getting some adverse information, we can see two things happen. We can see the market pull back a little bit, back south from that 50-day moving average, and the VIX popping back up and maybe breaking out into new territory to the upside. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.